Ever wondered why some affiliates seem to have a golden touch, making deals and profits appear out of thin air? What if I told you that their secret weapon is something you can master right now? Stick around, and I'll unveil the networking hacks that can skyrocket your affiliate marketing success and make you the person even top marketers want to partner with. Imagine stepping into a room filled with the brightest minds in affiliate marketing. You're not just another face in the crowd. You're shaking hands with influencers who've mastered the art of turning clicks into cash, and brand representatives eager to find passionate individuals to elevate their products. This is what happens at conferences like Affiliate Summit and ClickBank University events. Affiliate Summit, for example, is the premier event for those looking to immerse themselves in the affiliate marketing industry. With workshops led by successful marketers, panel discussions on the latest trends, and networking opportunities, attendees leave not just with knowledge, but with potentially career-altering connections. Then there's ClickBank University events, which focus on harnessing the power of one of the most influential affiliate networks in the world. Here you get up close and personal with successful ClickBank affiliates and product owners who are eager to share their secrets. It's more than learning. It's about building relationships that can lead to fruitful collaborations. How do you think attending these conferences could transform your affiliate marketing strategy? Imagine stepping into an online arena where every corner is buzzing with discussions on affiliate marketing strategies, tips, and real-life success stories. Platforms like a Flipped, Warrior Forum, and LinkedIn groups dedicated to affiliate marketing are exactly that. You can ask questions, share your experiences, and even collaborate on projects. Flipped, with its laser-focused content on lifting your affiliate game, provides guides, case studies, and tools that are specifically designed to boost your skills and earnings. Then there's Warrior Forum, an established battleground for digital marketers where wisdom from the trenches is shared and strategies are dissected to reveal what truly works and what doesn't. Finally, LinkedIn groups are professional networks where you connect directly with industry leaders and peers, offering a blend of inspiration, mentorship, and potential business opportunities. Immerse yourself in these communities to learn and take action. And here's the real question: how will you leverage the collective wisdom of these platforms to carve out your success? In today's digital landscape, LinkedIn stands as a towering beacon of professional networking, a prime avenue not just for job seekers, but for those ambitiously carving out their niches in the affiliate marketing world. Imagine transforming your LinkedIn profile into a magnet that irresistibly attracts potential affiliate partners. It starts with the basics: a clear, professional photo and a compelling headline that succinctly states what you do and how you stand out in the vast sea of affiliate marketers. Your summary section is your personal billboard. Here, articulate your unique value proposition, your affiliate marketing successes, and how you're looking to collaborate with others. It's not just about listing achievements. It's about telling a story that connects with your audience at a human level. Now consider the power of engagement. LinkedIn thrives on active participation. Share insightful articles, comment thoughtfully on posts within your community, and don't shy away from publishing your content. This isn't just digital noise. It's about adding value, establishing your credibility, and subtly showcasing your expertise in affiliate marketing. Step by step, as you optimize your profile, engage with relevant content, and use LinkedIn messaging wisely, you're not just networking. You're building a community of potential affiliate partners committed to growth and success in this dynamic digital arena. Do you think the focus on storytelling within your LinkedIn summary could significantly increase your chances of attracting the right affiliate partners? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Finding the right products to promote can be like searching for a needle in a haystack. That's where the magic of affiliate networks comes into play. Affiliate networks such as Shareazale or CJ Affiliate are gold mines for those eager to affiliate with brands that resonate not just with them, but also with their audience. These networks offer a plethora of products across various categories, making it a cinch to find something that aligns with your niche and values. But it's not just about access, it's about confidence. Knowing that you're promoting products from reputable brands builds a bridge of trust with your audience. And in the vast ocean of cyberspace, trust is the lifeboat that keeps your affiliate marketing efforts afloat. And then there's the support. Affiliate networks provide tools and insights to help you track your performance, optimize your strategies, and increase your earnings. It's like having a mentor guiding you through the intricacies of affiliate marketing, ensuring you're not just throwing darts in the dark, but aiming with precision. Now, I want you to pause for a moment and envision your affiliate marketing venture thriving, powered by the strategic partnership with an affiliate network. Engaging with the right network can be the catalyst that propels your affiliate marketing from a side hustle to a significant income stream. Here's a question for you to ponder. How do you think finding the right affiliate network could transform your marketing efforts? In the fast-paced world of affiliate marketing, crystal clear communication isn't just a nice to have. It's the lifeblood that ensures the health of your partnerships and the profitability of your ventures. Imagine navigating through a dense fog without a compass. That's precisely what trying to manage affiliate partnerships without consistent communication feels like. The right tools, whether it's Slack for instantaneous message exchanges, email for detailed discussions, or Zoom meetings for face-to-face interactions, can serve as your compass in the dense fog of affiliate marketing. Deploying these tools effectively removes ambiguity, aligns expectations, and fosters a culture of transparency between you and your partners. For instance, with Slack, quick queries can be resolved in real time, making it a dynamic tool for instant feedback. On the other hand, scheduling regular Zoom meetings can create a space for deeper relationship building, allowing both parties to share insights, discuss strategies, and reinforce their commitment to mutual success. But why does this matter so much? Because in the world of affiliate marketing, trust and reliability are as crucial as the products being promoted. Your ability to communicate effectively signals to your partners that you're not just another affiliate, you're a professional ally committed to shared goals. It's this level of professionalism that elevates your reputation, opens doors to more lucrative opportunities, and ultimately drives greater earnings. Now, think about your current communication strategies with your partners. Are they as effective as they could be, or is there room for improvement? What tools could you integrate into your routine to enhance these interactions? Reflect on these questions and consider the immense value that clear, consistent communication can add to your affiliate marketing efforts. In the world of affiliate marketing, being seen as dependable isn't just an advantage, it's your lifeline. Reliability transforms your partnerships into something much more valuable. It's like the difference between a one-off purchase and a loyal customer who shops with you for life. Now imagine you promise to promote a product. By not only sharing it, but also engaging with your audience, answering questions, and providing feedback, you're showing that you're not just there for the commission, you're a part of the team. Meeting deadlines, on the other hand, tells your partners that you respect their time and effort. They know they can count on you to pull your weight, making you an indispensable part of their strategy. And during product launches, your support can make or break the success of a new product. Being actively involved, ready to tackle any issues that arise, and providing real-time feedback doesn't just put out fires, it stokes the flames of innovation and progress. Every email you answer, every deadline you meet, and every launch you support solidifies your reputation as a partner of choice. But what do you think is the most critical element in building these dependable relationships? Is it the consistent communication, the timely follow-ups, or perhaps something else? Share your thoughts below, and remember, in the fast-paced world of affiliate marketing, being dependable is not just about doing things right. It's about being the right person for the job. In the bustling arena of affiliate marketing, forging partnerships goes beyond mere transactions. It's about co-creating value. Imagine two allies, an affiliate and a brand, coming together to craft experiences that resonate deeply with their joint audience. This synergy isn't just powerful, it's transformative. By developing webinars, podcasts, or collaborative promotional campaigns, both parties can significantly enhance their reach and impact. Think about a webinar, for example. It's not merely a presentation, but a platform for interactive learning and engagement. When affiliates and brands co-host these sessions, they combine their insights and expertise, offering unparalleled value to their audience. The result? an engaged, loyal community that sees both parties not just as providers, but as valuable resources. Podcasts offer a similar opportunity for collaboration. By discussing topics relevant to both audiences, affiliates and their partners can showcase their knowledge and personalities in a format that's easy and enjoyable to consume. This personal touch can humanize brands and affiliates alike, building a stronger emotional connection with listeners. Joint promotional campaigns take co-creation a step further. When affiliates and brands unite their creative forces, they can craft campaigns that are more innovative, impactful, and appealing to a broader audience. The combined effort means shared costs and increased ROI for both, making it a win-win situation. But here's the crucial question: how do viewers like you see the collaboration between affiliates and their partners in webinars, podcasts, and promotional campaigns? Does it add value to your experience, or does it seem like just another marketing tactic?